Today I am sharing 5 areas of your life where simplifying can help make you happier. Hello, I am Heather Ann. I am a life coach who specializes in helping people find harmony in their lives through decluttering, minimalism, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Simplifying is a great way to reduce stress and increase happiness. Not only can it help you save time and money, but it can help you focus on the things that matter most to you. So today I'm going to share 5 areas of your life where simplifying can help make you happier. Number 1, simplify your schedule. Does your Google Calendar look like a rainbow puked all over it? We use a different color for every one of my family members. Is there any white space on it? Oh wait, is that a free hour at 3 a.m.? Simplifying your schedule will free up more time for yourself and more time for you to spend on the things that matter the most to you. One way to start simplifying your schedule is to make a list of all of your commitments. You may need to look back a couple months on your calendar just to try to catch everything that is taking up your time. And then really review those things. Is each one of them moving you towards your goals? Does it bring you joy? Is it allowing you space and time to be with your family, with your friends, with yourself? Really think about how important each one of those commitments is, and is it worth your time? Remember, saying yes to one commitment means you have to say no to something else. Work on eliminating the commitments that don't bring you joy, that take up a large amount of your time, and aren't really beneficial to you, your family, and your goals. Number 2, simplify your home. Every item that we own has a price tag that is more than just the price tag that was on it at the store. Everything has to be maintained, kept clean, take up real estate for storage. And if it's truly clutter, it's also creating this loud, silent to-do list in your head. Deal with me. Even if it is out of sight, it is not out of mind. Not having so much stuff frees you up to spend your time doing things you love to do and spending it with people you love to spend time with. When you clear away the physical clutter, you create a more inviting and welcoming and calming environment that's going to bring you peace of mind at the end of the day and help make you happier. Number 3, simplify your wardrobe. The average American throws away 85.5 pounds of clothing every year. And yet most people are still standing in front of their closet claiming they have nothing to wear and resorting to wearing the same 20% of their wardrobe every single day. Simplifying your wardrobe makes it so much easier to get dressed. It's better for the environment. It's better for your pocketbook, and no one will notice. Simplifying my wardrobe was one of the first things I did when I started decluttering. It is such a joy to just be able to open my closet, reach in nearly blindly, grab something, and know it's something that I am going to love. And you know what? No one has said, "Didn't you wear that shirt last week?" Number 4, simplify your technology. Even before I read the research, I just had the kind of anecdotal, casual observation that more screen time equals less focus. There is big money to be made by big tech in our attention. The attention economy is very real. But you can balance being a Luddite with having your focus hijacked all of the time. You need to be intentional about your technology use. Make sure that you leave space in your day to be technology free, to get off the screens, to let your mind wander. Did you know that research shows that daydreaming and just mind wandering actually helps with focus? Simplifying your technology by reducing the amount you use it every day, having dedicated screen-free time, and just slowing down does wonders for your state of mind, focus, and can help make you happier. Number 5, simplify your diet. We are in the middle of a nutrition crisis in the Western world as more and more of our food is factory farmed and very overprocessed. The standard American diet is really sad. Poor diet leads to a whole wealth of bad health, obesity, heart disease, you name it. And we all know that we need to do better. But one of the really easy ways to do that is just to simplify. And by simplify, I mean actually two different concepts of simplifying. One, try to eat foods that don't have so many ingredients on the list. Try to eat foods closer to their original source, whether it's a piece of fruit or a vegetable, or at the very least, things that don't have 20 things on their ingredient list, most of them you've never even heard of. And then the other way is to simplify your meals and your meal options by giving yourself a smaller set of meal options that you can just go to, that you have the ingredients for, that you don't have to think about. You can still have variety sometimes when you go out to eat or if you want to cook a special meal on the weekend, but having that smaller list of set things makes it a lot easier when it's the end of the day, you're really tired, you have serious decision fatigue, and you have to feed yourself and your family. In review, the 5 areas I shared to simplify in order to make yourself happier are your schedule, your home, your wardrobe, your technology, and your diet. I coach around the idea that small, consistent actions have a big impact. When decluttering and simplifying, you're going to want to build solid habits and shift your mindset. Trying to do too much can backfire in a lot of ways. So pick one of these areas. It could be the one that you need the most work in. It could be the one that you're most excited about working on. It could be the one that you feel most drawn to. Pick one and get started with the smallest possible action. If you need more guidance on your decluttering, I would love to help you. In the description section, there will be a link to book a free coaching call with me. This is real coaching. This is not a sales call. I'll spend a couple minutes at the end telling you some options on group coaching or one-on-one coaching that you could go on with. But the idea behind this call is it gives you the chance to see what coaching is like and to see if you and I would be a good fit together. So if you're interested in getting started and you need a little guidance and a little help to do that, go ahead and click that link and get a discovery call with me booked today. Remember, small, consistent actions add up to big changes. Declutter your life today.